For more than a century, the automotive industry operated under a fixed set of assumptions: gasoline-powered engines, dealership sales, and incremental innovation. Giants like Ford, General Motors, and Toyota dictated the rhythm of progress, refining efficiency but rarely reinventing the fundamentals. Then, in the early 2000s, a new player emerged, one that defied every rule, challenged every assumption, and ultimately redefined what a car could be. That company was Tesla. Under the relentless vision of Elon Musk, Tesla transformed the automotive world from mechanical tradition to digital revolution, and in the process, created a trillion-dollar market shift that rewrote the future of mobility. Tesla's story began in 2003 with engineers Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning, who sought to prove that electric vehicles could be powerful, practical, and desirable. Their early concept attracted the attention and capital of Elon Musk, who joined as an investor and later became CEO. Musk's vision was far more ambitious, not just to build electric cars, but to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. It wasn't merely an engineering mission, it was an ideological crusade against the fossil fuel status quo. At that time, electric cars were synonymous with compromise, slow, limited in range, and aesthetically uninspiring. Tesla shattered those perceptions with the 2008 Roadster, a high-performance electric sports car built on a Lotus chassis and powered by lithium-ion batteries. It could sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4 seconds and travel over 200 miles on a single charge. For the first time, sustainability didn't mean sacrifice, it meant superiority. The Roadster was a statement to both consumers and competitors. The electric future was not only viable but inevitable. Yet, Tesla's true disruption extended far beyond performance metrics. The company dismantled the very business structure of the automotive industry. While traditional carmakers relied on dealership networks, Tesla sold directly to consumers. It opened minimalist showrooms in high-traffic urban areas and leveraged e-commerce long before the rest of the industry recognized its potential. This direct-to-consumer approach gave Tesla unprecedented control over pricing, customer experience, and brand narrative, all while cutting out the costly middleman. Tesla also recognized that infrastructure was destiny. The company built the supercharger network, a global web of fast-charging stations that eliminated range anxiety, one of the biggest barriers to electric adoption. By solving not just the product but the ecosystem, Tesla positioned itself as a technology company that understood systems thinking, not just automotive engineering. Despite these bold moves, Tesla's early years were perilous. The 2008 financial crisis nearly destroyed the company, forcing Musk to invest his last remaining capital to keep operations afloat. He later described this period as hell, juggling SpaceX and Tesla as both teetered on bankruptcy. But adversity forged Tesla's resilience and defined its culture of relentless problem-solving. The real breakthrough came in 2012 with the Model S, a luxury sedan that combined long-range capability, stunning design, and over-the-air software updates, something unheard of in the auto world. Unlike legacy automakers, which treated cars as static products, Tesla viewed them as evolving platforms. Owners could wake up to vehicles that improved overnight: faster acceleration, better range, and new features, all via software. This innovation transformed Tesla cars into living, upgrading systems, turning buyers into brand loyalists and evangelists. Tesla's technological dominance was matched by its vertical integration strategy. Instead of relying on suppliers for batteries, the most critical component of EVs, Tesla built gigafactories to produce them in-house. This gave the company control over costs, supply chains, and innovation speed. It was a move reminiscent of Henry Ford's assembly line revolution, but for the electric age. By mastering battery production, Tesla gained an unassailable advantage, just as the world began its shift toward electrification. The company's autopilot system marked another leap forward, integrating AI, cameras, and neural networks to enable semi-autonomous driving. Musk's bold claims about a self-driving future captivated markets and consumers alike. While regulatory challenges and safety controversies followed, autopilot cemented Tesla's reputation as a frontier innovator operating at the edge of possibility. It wasn't just building cars, it was building data-driven, intelligent machines that learned and evolved, redefining the relationship between human and vehicle. Financially, Tesla defied every conventional rule of Wall Street. For years, it operated at a loss while continuously raising capital and scaling production. Yet, investors treated Tesla not as an automaker, but as a tech company with limitless potential. Between 2019 and 2021, Tesla's valuation skyrocketed from under $100 billion to over $1 trillion, surpassing the combined market capitalization of the world's top automakers. This wasn't just a financial milestone, it was a paradigm shift. Investors were no longer betting on physical production alone, but on vision, data, and innovation velocity. Tesla's success forced a global reckoning. Once dismissive competitors scrambled to pivot, announcing multi-billion-dollar electric vehicle programs. Volkswagen, GM, Ford, and BMW began electrifying their fleets, citing Tesla as the catalyst. Governments, too, accelerated their climate policies, setting aggressive timelines to phase out combustion engines. In less than a decade, Tesla had accomplished what environmental activists and policymakers had struggled to achieve for generations. It made sustainability profitable, aspirational, and inevitable. But Tesla's ambitions extended beyond automobiles. Through Tesla Energy, Powerwall, and Solar Roof, the company sought to create a complete ecosystem for renewable energy, generation, storage, and consumption. This holistic approach positioned Tesla as a central player in the global energy transition, expanding its influence beyond transportation into infrastructure, housing, and sustainability. Perhaps Tesla's greatest innovation, however, lies in its cultural impact. It transformed electric vehicles from a niche environmental choice into a symbol of intelligence, status, and progress. Tesla made clean energy cool, a luxury, not a limitation. Elon Musk's enigmatic persona and mastery of social media amplified this aura, turning Tesla into more than a brand. It became a movement. Of course, Tesla's journey has not been without controversy. Quality control issues, labor disputes, and Musk's unpredictable behavior have at times drawn scrutiny. Yet, even these challenges underscore Tesla's unique place in modern business, a company that commands not just attention but emotion. Few corporations in history have inspired such intense loyalty and criticism simultaneously. In the end, Tesla's rise is a case study in visionary disruption. It broke industries by breaking conventions. It demonstrated that success in the 21st century belongs not to those who protect the past, but to those who invent the future. By daring to merge sustainability with desirability, technology with emotion, and risk with reward, Tesla didn't simply create electric cars. It ignited a revolution that will define the next 100 years of human mobility.